Shall we begin?
I want to know the whole story.
There we go.
You cannot stop the devil.
We have this dirty secret. Am I telling you the truth?
This feast is more harm than anything.
We pound people with knives to death.
Don't confuse drama with reality. It's very dangerous.
I need you to stop lying to me.
What are you talking about? So what happens now?
Something extraordinary.
Life is about taking a risk.
How should we do this?
You cannot do it without me.
There is only one war that matters.
Dracarys.